Hello, everybody. Hope all of you are doing wonderful. Today, let's deep dive into the world of distributed system, in which we will learn about data partitioning, which is an important concept for data engineers who needs to manage large data set in their day-to-day life. Let's get right into it. What is data partitioning? Data partitioning is the process of dividing large data set into smaller, more manageable pieces, or maybe you can say chunks or partitions. Each partitions can be stored on different servers in a distributed system, allowing for parallel processing and hence improving the performance overall. Imagine handling all the data set of the global e-commerce website in a single machine. It would be terrible. It won't be possible. Partitioning helps distribute data across multiple servers, making the system faster and more scalable. Why is data partitioning important? Partitioning is vital for several reasons. Number one, performance. It allows for parallel processing, reducing the time for data processing and querying. Number two, scalability. As your data grows, you can add more nodes and store your data there. Number three, fault tolerance. If one server fails, the data can still be retrieved from other different servers. These processes make data partitioning a cornerstone for different distributed systems. Types of data partitioning. There are a few key types of data partitioning. Number one, range partitioning. Data is divided based on range of values like dates maybe. Number two, hash partitioning. A hash function distributes data evenly across the partitions, which is ideal for avoiding hotspot. Number three, list partitioning. Data is divided based on discrete values like categories. Each method has its own benefit and is suited for different type of workloads. In summary, data partitioning is a powerful tool for managing large data in a distributed system. It improves performance, scalability, and gives fault tolerance to the data. By understanding this core type of data partitioning, you can make a better system design. Hope this helps. If you made it to the end of the tutorial, I recommend you subscribe. Thank you. Until next time, happy coding.